Combine your gelatine powder and cold water and allow it to soak. In a pot, combine your milk, cream and granulated sugar and mix it properly. Bring it to the boil and then simmer on a low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Here you can see that your gelatine absorbed the water properly. Be careful not to burn it in the microwave, it's easy to do. Here you can see that it's properly melted, no grains. Add your vanilla essence and then your melted gelatine. Use baking spray to help you with the unmolding, and then add your Pannacotta mix to the mold. Leave it to reach room temperature and then place it in the fridge for an hour to an hour and a half until set. Thank you very much for watching this video. Look out for our unmolding video and please subscribe and let us know in the comments if you would like the recipe.